guys, I'm back and I'm in my laundry room and I am here because I am doing a little makeover project and I thought I would film it because if I film it then I have to finish it. And I have a really bad habit of not finishing projects. So here we are. Okay, so here's what happened. I have had a vacuum cleaner that I've loved, just like a Kenmore canister vacuum, and a few weeks ago it just died. So I went online and I bought a stick vacuum to replace it. Well, the thing with a stick vacuum is that it needs a charging station. So that is what actually started this whole idea to redo this room. The room is kind of a disaster. And here's the unfortunate thing about that is this is the room that we go in and out of because it's next to the garage. So basically we have a beautiful main entrance to the house that we really don't use. But then we have to come in and out of this room, which is full of crap that, you know, shoes all over the place, laundry, donations for the Salvation Army, boxes that need to be recycled. Anyway, because this is the room that we use probably the most, going in, going out, this room should be nice. I am a big Feng Shui person, and I actually had my whole house Feng Shui'd by my friend Bethany, who is a Feng Shui expert. And she really taught me a lot about the energy in the house. And anyway, I could do a whole video, and I probably will, about my Feng Shui experience because it literally was a life-changing experience for me, for my husband, for our relationship. Yeah, it was amazing. So anyway, because of that experience, I know how the energy in a room should feel. And right now, this energy in this room feels chaotic and frantic. And when you come in this room, you just want to get the hell out of here. So I'm trying to change that. That is the goal of today's video. I want this to be a room that we don't mind being in. So I should say that we are already off to a good start because when we redid our kitchen, I also had them work on this room, meaning they did the floors because it's connected to the kitchen. I had them just continue the painting, so it's all freshly painted white. When they did the marble countertops in the kitchen, I had them do some marble for the sink in the laundry room. Got a new sink, new faucet, got new wood shutters. So there's a lot of good stuff going for it, but it's more of an issue of like organizing things. So yeah, so let's see what we can do. Okay, and we cannot forget outfit of the day. Okay, obviously it's not a super exciting outfit. It's just what appears to be a tank top, some cutoff shorts, and some super cute wedges. Okay, so what makes this outfit a little bit more interesting is the fact that this top is actually the slip that was inside of that white eyelet H&M dress from a previous video. So, do you guys remember that? Okay, so the dress comes with a little slip underneath it. So I just took it out. So yeah, so I just took that thing right out and I just wanted to wear it all see-through. But then I put this slip dress on and it's so insanely comfortable. It's crazy. It is the softest material. So I've been wearing it as a slip to sleep in, and then today I was like, oh, I think it could even work just tucked in. Yeah, anyway, little side note. Of course, got some Sparkle Bomb bling, my rainbow earrings, and oh, my favorite shoes. Well, one of my favorite shoes, my Castañer Wedge Espadrilles. Okay, so that's the outfit. Now, back to the laundry room. First thing that has to be decided is where to put this charging station. So this is the charger for the new vacuum cleaner. So this has to be mounted to the wall. So what I think we're gonna do is move this stuff out of here. And instead of the big giant laundry basket, I got, hey buddy, what's up? Say hi. So I'm excited because I actually just, oh, gallery wall. I actually just got some stuff in the mail. This will be the new laundry basket, and then I got a rug. I also got a mirror to go in the spot right here so you can check yourself as you're leaving, and that mirror is in here. I'm so excited about it. It is from Pottery Barn Teen, because where else does a grown-ass woman find a mirror? And then I've got artwork being framed for up here. Okay, so let's start with just getting this room cleared out. All right, guys, here we are, the laundry room. It's done. Well, actually, almost done. So, like most projects that involve home decor stuff, I find that they take so much longer than you think they're going to. So, the one snag I had for this room was the rug. I know you guys saw that I had ordered a rug, and I just didn't like the way it looked in here with the art. I didn't like it. So I ordered a second rug. I got that, and I'll show you a picture of that one too. Basically, it was the same rug as the first one, but instead of white, there was black in it, and that just looked bad. I don't know why, it just didn't work. You know, that's the thing when you're buying things online, you gotta try it out. You don't know from the picture if it's gonna look good in your space. So anyway, I went ahead and ordered a third rug. It hasn't arrived yet, but I was like, you know what? I want to get this video out there. I want to start using this room, and I'm not gonna wait on a rug, which may or may not actually work out. So for now, there's no rug. Still looks great. Yeah, but let me know if you have any rug ideas or suggestions, because I'm totally open. Okay, well, let me show you what I did. Okay, this is coming in from the back door, and the first thing you'll notice is the amazing art. And these are Loteria prints that my friend Enrique did. They're photographs that are recreating the Loteria cards in a different, more modern way. So these are obviously the star of the room. You can see I used an apothecary jar for all of my laundry soap instead of just having it in the ugly container. So right here before, I had that big giant laundry basket, which was taking up a lot of space. And this is actually where I wanted to hang my new vacuum cleaner, which is the whole reason I wanted to redo this space, which meant I needed a new space for the laundry because there was a big giant laundry basket right here. Actually made some space in here and I got a new laundry basket. You can see it's right here. Very cool. It's from West Elm. And then the recycle bin is in there as well. So we got the recycle bin, the laundry, the mop, and of course my critter catcher because I don't like to kill spiders. Anyway, that meant Candy could have her dog bed in here and her food, which before was just always kind of getting in the way. And there's my gardening hat. And then here is that beautiful mirror that I ordered. I love having it up in the space. So one of the big issues was all the shoes on the floor here. So I actually cleared out this cabinet and made this our shoe basket place. And then I got this really cool gold tray from West Elm as well, so I can keep my sunglasses, my keys, garage door opener, and just have it look really neat and clean. All right, guys, well, like I said, the room is, 99% done. I just am waiting on a rug. And yeah, I hope you got maybe some tips, some tricks, some ideas, and some inspiration. Ooh, hold on, I forgot something. Okay, where was I? So back to Feng Shui for a minute. This room happens to be our love and relationship corner. So that kind of sucks because it's a laundry room. But besides making it functional and beautiful, one of the things that my Feng Shui instructor Bethany taught me is that we need to have a photo of my husband and me in the room. So just the two of us, because it's the love, relationship, romance part of the house. So I went ahead and framed this picture of us in Hawaii because it's very important that you put a picture in your love and marriage corner of you and your partner during a really happy time. Okay, now the room is done. Well, except for the rug. Okay, so yeah, I really think I should do a Feng Shui video and walk you through my house and talk about all of the things that she said and all of the things that we changed and all the ways in which our life changed after we did the things she said to do. It was unbelievable. So anyway, that is a story for another video. So yeah, hopefully you liked my laundry room transition. It wasn't a huge transition, but definitely is a lot more organized, a lot more fun. Obviously, the art's my favorite part. And yeah, hope you like it. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Okay, bye.